Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Sync My Business to Google account on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. In here, tap on manage accounts. Then we go down and tap on the Google account, then tap on sync account. Next, in here, go down and tap on my business. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.